Hi guys, welcome back to Cryptogains for another video, and in today's video we're going to be following on from the last video where we discussed EOS, and we're going to break it down and sort of work out how much it will cost us to become wealthy with EOS. Okay, so if you missed the last video, I was basically showing you how much coins should you own, should you have, so make sure you check that video. I'll pop it in a little bubble up here, and yeah, so if you're watching, please do like and subscribe and stick around, I suppose. Got lost for words just then. Yeah, before I dive into this, I'm not a financial a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, so please always do your own research before investing any money. People usually cut that stuff, but I'm not cutting it. I'm just going to leave it in there. Anyway, guys, as I said, the last video we discussed how many coins you should have or own to reach your goals. And these goals were of like 10,000, 100,000, 500,000, a million. We're going to do the similar thing. But when you discuss being wealthy, I kind of see like the $100,000 mark as sort of like the base level as to how much what I class as wealthy. Okay, because having 10 grand, you could get that just working a standard 9-to-5 job. So for me, that's not wealthy. Wealthy sort of sits into this mark here, the 100,000, because with that, you can buy apartments, you can rent out, it really does change your game in your life. So we're going to start with that base and work out how much it's going to cost you to be wealthy, and then we'll do the 250,000, we'll jump to the 500,000, and then we'll go to the cool 1 million. And I'm going to do it obviously in British pounds and dollars so everyone can see, because I know there's people watching in America. Anyway, so how do we start this? What I did before in the last video was I was working out how high it can realistically go, okay, because I wanted to show you how much gains you can make or how much you should have based on all highs of what I believe it can go. And I did that in the last video. Again, you can check it out because I linked the bubble there, but I'm going to quickly show you a breakdown of how I did it again, because I got a price of, I think it was like £122, which is like $150, and I really believe that EOS can hit $150. And it might sound insane to you now because of the price, but I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, okay? But if you do want the full breakdown, it will be on the other channel, but I'm just going to do a quick run up on it and what I did before. So what I did is I compared it against I compared the circulating supply, the total supply, right, because it has a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and I compared it against Ethereum's total supply. It doesn't show it here, so we'll just scroll down here and we look for its total supply, 113 million, and it's still similar to, well, it's the same as the circulating. Usually they're different, but obviously in this case it's the same because they've all been used up. But yeah, what I did is I took EOS's total supply, I'm twisting my words here, so which was 1,024 million roughly, because what I'm trying to figure out is how many times can EOS's total of coins go into, so how many times can Ethereum's total supply of coins go into EOS. And what I get out of this is, let me just divide it by Ethereum's. You got a total of 9. Ethereum's total supply of coins go 9 times into EOS. Okay, now when I look at the price of Ethereum, I can tell you right now, just based off of that little bit of data that we did there, that if a price with 100 million tokens in supply, total supply, can reach up to 1,000, I think it was 1,075 before, it's gone down a little bit. Let's just drag it in because I want to be precise. That's what this channel's all about, being really precise. Let's see if we can grab it at the peak of the mountain. I'm going to drag it in like this. So this is a Theorems chart. If we can, if a coin with 100,000, oh yes, it changes every day. If a coin with 100,000, 100 million coins as a total supply can hit £1,039, and I'm just going to show you that in dollars, okay? So you can see £1,039 in dollars is 1,039 is roughly $1,363. If a coin with 100 million roughly can hit that sort of price, then a coin with 1 billion would near enough hit 9 times less the price, because again it's like 9 times more in supply, and usually if something has 9 times more, it could work at like 9 times less the price, because obviously it's less scarce. I think I'm saying that right. So that's how I worked out that calculation, and it does sort of hold up true in my eyes anyway. So what we'll do now is we'll take the 1,039 I said, right? 1,039. That did change because I'm sure yesterday was another price, but yeah, 1,039. And we're just going to divide that by 9, okay? And it's a very realistic price. I'm not showing you silly numbers. There you go. £115 is what EOS can, I believe, realistically hit, and that's obviously hitting a similar highs in market cap to what it was on its. So what's like? It's based on obviously EOS hitting like a 98 billion market cap, and that's possible because money's been here before. And I said this in my video: the money's been here before. These charts ain't lying. It shows the money's been there, and it can flow into any coin at any time. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to grab up the USD again so I can show you. YSD. I just wanted to show you how much this is in US dollars. So what have I done there? What was I showed? Where's it gone? I wanted to show you this. £115. I thought I copied and pasted that. I'll just type it in manually. So £115 in dollars is $151 EOS. I really do believe we can see $151 EOS. Now we've got that data, this is what we're going to base how many coins you would need. Because again, if you're someone that's patient enough to wait for it to, to bloom, grow adoption, get these dApps and platforms and people using it, and you're happy to wait for it to reach its highs, because I really do believe it can hit it. You can see some good gains, and this is, in my eyes, how much we will need, or how much it's going to cost us. Okay, so I'm going to start with the £100,000 mark, and I'm sorry I've taken long just to get to this bit, but we're talking about investing serious money, and I don't care if you're an average person or you're a rich person, you need to have full details to how much it's going to cost and everything. So yeah, so rambling on. Let's divide this by, I'm going to do it in dollars and British pounds first, 115. And this will show us how many coins it would give us. EOS coins, 115. So you would have needed 869 coins, right? EOS coins. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab up, I'm surprised I haven't got it already, CoinGecko, because CoinGecko is a great website to convert. I've got XRP. I wonder when it come up with that for EOS to GBP. I usually do that, and then CoinGecko is like the top link. Yeah, there you go. It's a great website to convert the coins in relation to fiat, and obviously it's in British pounds here, but I will change it into dollars so you can see as well. So the number that we got here was 869 coins. So EOS 869 coins. In order to get that $100,000 mark, that £100,000 goal, based on it hitting the highs of what I said, you would need to have, it would cost you £1,668, and that's based on buying the price today, at the price today. Okay, so yeah, actually I didn't do that, did I? Let's just quickly check what the price is based on today's price in dollars, because £1.92 in dollars is $2.52. Okay, so based on paying on these prices today, it will cost us roughly £1,668. And just to show you that in dollars, £1,668 in dollars is $2,190. So just over $2,000. That's how much it's going to cost you. And it might sound like, I mean, for me, I think that's doable, because I usually say £1,000 for the average person, but I still think, we could save this. And I say it in my videos, don't buy that McDonald's. Save your money. I know you want the Happy Meal with the burger and the toy, but they're not selling Pokemon cards in the toys at the minute, or they're not giving them out. So don't waste your money on McDonald's. Save that money and invest, because, well, again, it's not investment advice to you, but this is what I think we should be doing. We should be investing, because if this is something that you want to do and you want to make a good living for your future, then these are the things that you really have to do. You have to make the sacrifices. No chocolate biscuits. Put them bourbon biscuits down, and you know what I mean if you're in England. Anyway, so yeah, if you had that £100,000 goal, 869 coins is what they give you, and it'll cost you £1,668, and that's obviously, I converted that in dollars as well as to how much it's going to cost you. Let's move on to, if you had that £200,000 goal, sorry, 250,000, yeah, because again, These are life-changing numbers, and you could buy houses with this. You could probably set up businesses as well, really good businesses, online businesses. So for me, this is life-changing money for some, and many of you may have this goal. And I always say in my videos before, if you look down and saw 250,000 in your portfolio from your investments, you would definitely take that, because I will. So if this is your goal, okay, how much is it going to cost you to make this sort of money with EOS? We're going to divide it by £115 is what I said before. It would give us a total of 2,173 coins, and this is how much the coins convert over. Okay, so it would cost you £4,172. Some of you may already even have this, because people that have invested into EOS prior over the last few years may already have reached this goal. So if you have, you should be smiling, because in my eyes, again, I really believe it can hit the sort of highs as to what EOS Ethereum hit in relation to market cap, right? Because they're 100 billion market cap. That is not out of the realm of possibilities for EOS to hit. Like I said, the money's been in it before, it can flow in again. So yeah, it can definitely hit it. It's 9 times more than what the market cap was before for it to get, like the £150 price. Sorry, £115 price. But yeah, guys, that's how much you're going to need. £4,172. I'm just going to convert this into dollars so you guys can see. So I'm going to copy it, bring it over, and paste it in here. In dollars, you'd be looking at $5,476. Again, that to me, that's a game-changing price to pay. So my words getting twisted now. It's a game-changing price to pay. £5,000 to take in £250,000. Oh, sorry, it would be less than that actually, because in dollars, let's have a look. Because let me just check this in dollars. I just want to make sure, because $250,000, if it was $250,000, you'd need less. Let's just do this. 151, right? Usually I do this. I don't know why I haven't been doing this, but I'm gonna do it like this now. Carry on. 100. You divide it by $151, because I believe it can hit that. Look, 1,665 coins. It shows a different price, right? Let's just convert that over. Okay, well, it says GBP there, so I guess overall it's gonna work out the same. Let me just do it. Hold on. EOS to USD. Where's my CoinGecko? There it is. Let's just check, see if it came up the similar price of what I was saying. $4,170. So it does work out just a little bit less for it's similar pounds and dollars. It works out a little bit less for you to reach the $250,000 level. Okay, I guess that obviously doing it like this, 250,000. Let me just check. 250,000. Is that 25,000? 250,000 would give you obviously $328,000 level. Okay, so yeah. Maybe this is how we need to do it now, just to be more precise for people as to how much it's going to cost them in dollars. And yeah, so guys, let's move on to the next one. $500,000 with EOS. This is how much it's going to give us in relation to coins. If you had that goal of $500,000, we're going to divide it by 115, because I really believe it can hit that price. It will give you a total 4,347 coins. And again, 500,000 is life-changing money. That's like winning the lottery for some. And how much money do you spend gambling, hoping that you get good money back on the lottery? Because I've spent stupid money on the lottery. So yeah, I could have just invested it into something like this. Let's just convert this now. 4,347 coins is what it would give you. Let's do the English first, and in British pounds. Oh, what am I doing? Paste that. It would cost us £8,346. Okay, and I'm just gonna do that in dollars. Actually, it's a lot easier than like this. Like having two sites open. In dollars, you're looking at $10,954, so almost $11,000. But guys, again, there's people out there that can afford that, and it's out of the realm of possibility for someone like me. Like I said, I'm an average guy to accumulate 4,000 coins, and obviously that equaling the price of 10, almost $11,000, but turning 11,000 into $500,000. My God. It does make you sit there and think back and go, well, maybe it's worth it. But again, it's all about patience and how patient you are to allow this coin to adopt and bloom. Because look, the thing is, right, and I'm looking at this cryptocurrency market, and I'm going to be quick on this. All of the top 20, if you look before, there was so many like DeFi coins. Look at how many DeFi coins you see now? Not many now, really. It's all just failed. It's collapsed. So what I'm seeing now are solid projects in my eyes. And EOS has been solid for years, and it's sitting in the top 15. So, again, this is something you should really take into consideration. What did I just say? Consideration when investing. I'm just not with it. Sorry. When investing your money. But yeah, let's move on to the final one, the cool £1 million, because everybody has that dream to become a millionaire with cryptocurrency. And how much will it cost us to become a millionaire with EOS? So we're going to divide this by 115. We'll do it in British pounds first. You would need a total of 8,695 coins. I think I did the 500,000 one wrong. I just want to quickly rectify, or I think I'm saying it right. Just quickly do that, correct myself on this before, because I think I copied and pasted the wrong number. Let's just divide this by 154, because I'm all about being precise. Like 3,246. I think it actually costs less in I think it's gonna be less than this. I just want to show you. Yeah, look, $8,179. I don't know why I did that. I copied and pasted the British pounds sum of coins, and I needed to rectify myself on that. So yeah. So that is that. Yeah, let's jump onto this million, guys. Sorry, I had to do that. So £1 million. If you have this goal, you want to become a millionaire, and you want to do big things in your life, and you're patient enough to wait for EOS to reach these numbers of all-time highs, which I believe they can hit. Let's divide it by 115. Gives us 8,695 coins, and we're just going to convert this now, your coins, into British pounds, which is 16,694 coins. Now that may take time for people to reach, because 16,694 pounds. That's how much it's going to cost you. Now again, for me, this I think that it's wealthy people, unless you got into EOS when it was super low, because again, EOS was down here like 40 pence. So if there are people that has like 16,000 coins, guys, you should be smiling. Go and get yourself some beans on toast, sit back, just chill with your beans on toast and smile, because you just you're setting yourself up so good to make some insane gains, seriously insane gains. But yeah, I'm going to check this in America, US dollars now. So if your goal was £1 million, you could buy some nice apartments, set up great businesses, help your friends and family. We divide that by $154, which is what I said, right? 154? So $151. I think I've just been all over the place in this video today. $151. It'll give you 6,622 coins. And we just check this in dollars. 6,622 coins is $16,687. So almost $17,000. Again, some of you may have that. I know I don't have that. But some of you may have that. But guys, I hope this has helped someone in some shape or form, okay, to sort of give you a better understanding of how many coins you have, whatever your goal was, because there might still be people that are unsure, that's just been accumulating because they want to have loads of it and they've not really figured out. As far as I'm aware, I haven't seen a video channel that does this, really break down the coin and show you these targets, like the 100,000 and the 200,000 and a 5, and I haven't seen anyone that breaks it down to show you how much coins realistically it's going to cost to hit that. So yeah. Obviously, some of these prices were very high and out of the realm of possibility for the average person, but this channel is about being precise, and I wanted to show you that, okay? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think of EOS and what kind of coins you're holding. That's the Theorems chart. Let me know what you think about this, and is it something worth looking into? Something worth holding still? I believe so, and I believe that these cryptocurrencies are really going to start to dominate again, especially with Bitcoin just pumping like crazy. And if you didn't see my last video, guys, I'm going to drop this in there real quick. You know, I had a video and I was talking about Bitcoin and taking profits with Bitcoin, and the funny thing is, I said in this video that, you know, if it gets to the 10.5k level, that is be a good time to you know, put your coins on the exchange and get ready to sell, because it could pump insane like it did in the last run. And it's funny that the prices of Bitcoin are doing everything that I just predicted, you know, in that last video. So check that one out. That's an interesting video. You know, I believe over the next 2 weeks it could probably go up to 20,000. So, and yeah, that video talks all about it, so be sure to check that video if you are interested in Bitcoin. But yeah, hope you like this, guys. I'm not going to ramble on anymore. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Cheers.